is our big storm. Whoa! I got that on camera. Leave me alone. There's a bunch of lightning out. Whoa! There's a bunch of wind. Whoa! That was crazy. Very windy out. That's insane. That's just the leaves. No rain yet. Alright, why does this thing keep going to battery saver mode? Well, where's the best lightning part? Is it gone? Okay, it's getting better, it's getting better. That's insane. Oh God. Oh no. Oh my gosh, that's just insane. The trees. Whoa, whoa. I just got that on video. What was that? It's crazy, you guys. Oh God. Get the door closed. Oh no. Dude. The storm's really bad now. It's getting better. Try to close it. The door a couple of times. Whoa. Oh. It's fine. Guys, this is crazy wind. I hope that the things are gonna be okay. This is crazy, you guys. Whoa! Yeah, I did. Alrighty, guys. So yeah, this is our big storm, you guys. This is one of our biggest storms that we've had in a while, actually. Surprisingly. Like, these kind of remind me of my moments that I had of when I was little, like these storms. This is a bad storm, you guys. Like, this is insane. Like, I haven't seen this for at least a year. Like, look at this. I've not seen this much wind for about a year now. Maybe for a couple of years. I don't remember seeing this type of wind in a while. Alright, so you guys, so subscribe, turn on your notifications, and be sure. Peace out, and that's it.